C. Monica.
Yes, Rekha.
My name is Shailaja. Our project name is Pet Feeder System using Arduino ultrasonic sensor and servo motor.
Pet care is a circular aspect of responsible pet ownership, and technology can play a role in ensuring pets reserve their meals on time. This paper introduces a pet feeder system designed to automatically dispense pet food when a pet approaches, utilizing Arduino and sensor and a servo motor. The system employs an sensor to the simplicity and efficiency of this recipe make it an accessible solution for pet owners seeking an automated and interactive feeding system. The paper discusses the key components, working principle, and potential applications of this pet feeder system.
Arduino microcontroller. The Arduino microcontroller serves as the brain of the system. The interaction between the ultrasonic sensor and the servo motor. The process data from the ultrasonic sensor and controls the servo motor's rotation. Ultrasonic sensor. An ultrasonic sensor is employed to detect the presence of a pet in proximity to the feeding area. The measure the distance between the sensor and the pet, activating the feeding when the pet is within the specified range. Servo motor. A servo motor is responsible for dispensing pet food. When rigging by the Arduino based on the ultrasonic sensor input, the servo motor rotates a angle. Portion of pet food. Working principle. The ultrasonic sensor continuously monitors the distance to detect the presence of a pet. When a pet is within the specified range, the Arduino sends a signal to the servo motor to rotate and dispense pet food. After the feeding action, the servo motor returns to its initial position. System features: automatic and interactive pet feeding, adjustable system setting for the detection range and feeding depending quantity, low and user-friendly design.
Benefits: ensure regular and timely feeding of pets. Unconscious pet reaction and with the feeding process can be customized to accumulate various types of pet food. Applications: home pet care for dogs, cats, and other small animals. Use in the pet shelters and veterinary corners and automatic feeding rotators. Conclusion: the pet feeder system presented in this paper offers a practical solution for pet owners seeking an automated invitation food acquisition by integrating Arduino and ultrasonic sensor and a servo motor. This system provides a reliable and service-friendly approach to ensure pets receive their meals on time. The simplificate on the design makes the essential to wide range of pet owners, contributing to wide bring and proper care of the household pets.
Mission.